video, I just quickly wanted to say that I'm sure you guys are all familiar with the George Floyd case that's been going on, and I haven't been posting. I didn't post last week. I was really contemplating on posting this video just because I felt like it wasn't the right time to be posting anything other than awareness. Yeah, I thought I could do both, bring awareness and also post onto my channel. So I'm gonna have linked down below some links that you can sign petitions and donate to organizations and things of that sort. I'm standing in front of a window, so that's why this lighting is a little all over my glasses. But yeah, without further ado, let's get into the video. So today I did something a little crazy. Well, actually it was a couple days ago. I bought a camera and we're on our way to pick it up. I'm with Brian and he's driving my car because I wanted to vlog. So we're on our way to Best Buy to go pick it up, and I'm super excited because it wasn't even supposed to come in today, so it's a little unexpected. It was supposed to come in on Thursday and today's Tuesday. The camera that I have is it just needed an upgrade. It's not a bad camera, but it's just an old one, and I want to use a better camera to bring you guys better quality content on my channel. And the camera that I have right now, Brian bought for me as a gift. Like I said, it's a good camera, but it's just a little old. They don't even make this camera anymore. So yeah, I'm in desperate need of, oh look, the UPS truck. You know I have 2 packages coming in today. Went for the Best Buy, we're getting my camera. I'm so excited. I'm gonna do the unboxing when I get to Brian's house, because that's where we're gonna go after. Actually, we're gonna go get food from the Habit. He's coming.
Give the last four of that order number?
Yes. These 402. It's so tiny. There's the box, you guys. It's so small. So the Habit got rid of their drive-thru, so we're gonna go eat somewhere else, and then I'll see you guys when I get back to Brian's house so that I can unbox this bad boy.
I'm gonna hit you hard.
So I finished eating my chili cheese fries, and I'm gonna unbox my camera now, and I'm so excited. I can't believe this is real. I actually bought a camera. And also I'm in Brian's room, and it's super hot in here because I have my ring light, and it's like right here. So I have the fan on, and you can probably hear that, but I'm not gonna turn it off. It is super hot in here. This is what the box looks like. Oh my god. That's why I got insurance on it. Okay, so I also wanted to say that I bought this at Best Buy. If you're trying to get this camera, I know there's better deals on Amazon, because Amazon has a bundle that I've seen everyone purchasing, and it's basically the camera and like a tripod, and it comes with a whole bunch of things, and it's really convenient. But I didn't get the bundle on Amazon just because I already have a tripod, I already have memory cards and all that good stuff, so I just bought the camera on its own. I'll try to find a link for it and link it down below, but again, I didn't buy it from Amazon, so I don't really know. So I got it on Best Buy, and it took about, when did I buy it? I think I bought it on Friday, and today's Tuesday, so it took less than a week for it to ship to the store. I'm trying to show you guys, but I just can't do this in the angle. I've watched like 100 unboxing videos, so I already know what's in here, but the fact that this is mine and I'm opening this one just makes it feel so different. It is so hot in here. It has some manual papers online, something about my warranty. I have to register my camera. I didn't know you had to do all that, but okay. And then I have a manual, a big book. I'm trying to do this so you guys can see, but it's like uncomfortable and weird. Oh my gosh, it's so small. It's okay. Actually, I'll open the camera last. I'm just gonna show you guys what else is in here. There is a little wrist strap. What is it called? Oh, that's exactly what it's called. That's what that looks like. And then I also have the camera charger. So this is what's pretty different about the camera that I use now and this Canon G7X. I actually had a Canon camera before, so I'm pretty familiar with this, but the camera that I'm filming right now is a Sony, and I just use like the Type-C normal charger plugs that you would use. That's how I charge the camera that I'm currently filming on right now, but the Canon cameras are a little different. You just charge the battery in here, and that's about it. But it's kind of nice that I used to have a Canon camera, so at least now I have an extra charger just in case. Oh, and the battery itself, see? My camera's gonna die, and I'm really hoping it doesn't. So it comes in this little plastic thing. You guys, if you're watching this video, it's probably because you've watched some other unboxing videos, so you already know what's in here. But this is the camera. It's so small. It's like, actually, it's probably the size of this camera. This is mine. I can't believe it. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Okay, this is what it looks like. It just doesn't seem real that this is my camera and I'm holding it right now, and okay, a little pop-up screen, just like the one that I'm using right now. And then you can also kind of move it around. I don't know why you would need to move it around, but I think that's as far as it goes. I'm not even going to try to push it any further. So cute. It does not feel real that this is my camera. It almost looks like mine, but this one's just 10 times better. I don't know if I said this already, but the camera didn't come with an SD card, but I have 2 SD cards. Obviously, I'm using one right now to film on the camera that I'm filming with right now. And then I also have an extra one. I probably should buy a bigger SD card because the ones that I have, I think this one's an 8 gigabytes and the one that I'm recording with is a 16 gigabytes. And I've never had it run out of room while I'm filming, but that's because I delete my old videos and then I just film my new ones on here so that way I can have space for it. She's so cute! Okay, I have to set up the date and the time. So it's June 2nd. This is so crazy to me. I cannot believe that this is my camera. Guys. This is not real. Oh my god. And the screen is touch screen. I didn't know that when I bought it, but when I was watching everyone else's reviews. Okay, let me hit the record button. It's probably gonna die though, but y'all, it looks so good. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna try to get some footage of me outside and just trying different lightings and like moving back and forth between lightings just to really test it out. But y'all, this is a little corner that I'm sitting in. That's so sad, but I don't have anywhere to film. I don't have any yeah, I don't have a whole setup with me. I usually just film at Brian's house in this little corner, and he lets me film in this corner. So I was gonna get the Canon G7X Mark III because that was the only camera that was available that was the only camera that was like in my Best Buy, and I wanted the camera like that day, right then and there. But I was reading some reviews and I just remember seeing that the autofocus was really bad with that camera, so I didn't buy that camera. Instead I got this one, and I'm pretty impressed. We're gonna test this out somewhere else, but I know it's gonna die, so I'm gonna charge the battery and then I'm gonna keep vlogging on this camera. That's so crazy to me. This is my camera. I still can't believe it. Okay, so I just wanted to, I'm actually charging my camera right now, which is why I'm not filming on it yet, but I wanted to show you guys the kind of size differences between them. So this is the old camera that I use. It's the Sony DSC HX90V, super old. They don't even make them anymore. And then this is the Canon camera that I'm now going to start using, and they're pretty much the same size, it looks like. Yeah, it looks like the Canon G7X is a little bit bigger and bulkier too, I'm noticing. But yeah, I don't really mind, and they kind of have similar formats, like the zooming in and the settings. And then yeah, my camera is so dirty, I'm so sorry about that. And then record and the menu, so it's pretty similar. But yeah, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys the size differences and then kind of like a size comparison. Let me see what I can find to compare this with. That's my dirty ass phone case. Since I'm filming with my iPhone right now, I couldn't really use my iPhone for comparison, but that's the size of my phone. And then this is the size of the camera. It's so much smaller than what your iPhone would be. So this is an iPhone 11, by the way. So yeah, and it's just, this camera is pretty bulky and it's super heavy, but I don't mind it. I think I mean, I say that now, but maybe once I start filming I will. So I somewhat let the camera charge, but not really, because I was messing with the settings and I was too anxious to let it actually charge all the way. But I'm inside and I'm just standing in front of a window right now. I'm gonna go outside and try to get some other angles and lightings and all this jazz. I'm not really liking this lighting at all. So yeah, I'm gonna go do that right now. I haven't uploaded this footage onto my computer yet, so I don't know how the audio is, which I'm really excited about because my old camera, the audio wasn't the best. It actually wasn't good at all, let's be honest, if you watch any of my other videos. But I'm hoping this one's a lot better, and I'm pretty sure it is. So yeah, I was just messing with some settings right now and just kind of going through, seeing what's up with this camera. It looks so good from what I can see from like the viewfinder. But yeah, I can't wait to upload this on my camera, or I mean on my laptop. So awkward, oh my god. His mom's gonna be like, what the hell is she doing? So I really like the autofocus on this. The novela is me. Okay, outside now. I'm in Brian's backyard. Brian wants to go swimming today. Oh, I dropped something. But I'm just testing out the camera for now, and it's looking really good. And I cannot believe that this is, why am I standing in front of the pool? It's probably so loud. I'm so sorry. I can't believe that this is my camera. It like has a hard time adjusting. I think it's okay, it's fine. So yeah, I can't believe that this is my camera and this is real and this is legit and this is mine and I bought this. It's just crazy right now. My lips are probably really crusty. Oh yeah, they definitely are. I'm so grateful and blessed and I can't wait to bring you guys some better content, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am. I'm literally like a baby with a new toy right now, just messing with this camera. This mirror's pretty dirty, I'm sorry, but you can like move this lens around to zoom in and out of, but it's super loud, so I can't even imagine what it's gonna sound like when I'm actually listening back to this video. But you can also zoom in with like this button up here. We can just do that and that zooms in way quieter, so I'm probably gonna use that whenever I want to zoom into things. Okay guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and if you did, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and stick around for the better quality content that I'm bringing to my channel. Also, sorry for the glare on my glasses. I'm standing in front of a window, so that's why I look like that right now, and I don't think I have anything else to say, but I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.